There's 4 tracks. I have reacted to the Earthquake MV, so obviously I've heard Earthquake, but I've not heard anything from the other 3. We did not, however, react to the Earthquake dance MV, dance performance video. So I'm going to do that. So here we go.
It hits me like an earthquake.
I like this song, if anybody missed my MV reaction. I like how weird and bassy the horns are. Interested to see the full choreo, obviously. Damn, okay. I saw people saying... By the way, I saw people shocked that this song is, how shall we say, suggestive. And I was like, did you pay any attention to the lyrics? Did you pay any attention to the lyrics? Like, I ignore lyrics 90% of the time. Ooh, the little smile. I like the dancers circling her. That's cool. It's cool for the build. I mean, it doesn't mean the song has no meaning, though. Damn. Interesting how minimal it is. I mean, that's how I feel about music in general, so. Okay, Jisoo putting in hip work? Whoa, always like a... Yeah, like, what do you think "give me that good from every angle" means? Like, there's no... There's no other explanation. Like what? How else are you taking that one, guys? How did you hear that and not think? No, we're doing Jisoo album next. Woo! Track ranking took about 20 minutes. And then I went to the bathroom. You missed track ranking and some live performances. And then I took a break. Okay. God, her face is just insane. I mean, listen, y'all know me, I appreciate the crop a lot. We have been blessed with Jisoo midriff, which is a rarity. I'm grateful. But holy shit, what a face. Ooh, I like the spin. Oh, cool, she like pulls them forward. Cool. Okay, a little shimmy. Okay. Yeah, very minimal choreo, but obviously just very controlled, very elegant. And obviously, I mean, she looks insane. Little bit of hip work, a little bit of Jisoo hip work. She's looking incredible. Face card, ridiculous. Cool choreo. Yeah, cool choreo. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely feels like a logical step after Flower. Yes. I 100% agree with you. 100% agree with you. Thank you so much to everyone who's chosen to support me on Patreon, with special appreciation going to Lucky7 Jen, Daniel Rains, Muse Ribbons, Atsuchi Ray H, Mushroomy, Biz, Bob, Sasko Reacts, and Mockingjay N7.